Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Imagine this: a pill that gives you the benefits of exercise and fasting without ever hitting the gym or skipping a meal. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, thanks to some groundbreaking research, it's closer to reality than you might think. Scientists have been working tirelessly to develop a molecule that mimics the effects of physical exercise and fasting. This revolutionary pill could change the way we approach fitness and nutrition. Let's dive into the details. So, what's the science behind this miracle pill? Researchers have identified a molecule that activates a protein called RevHerb. This protein is a key player in our circadian rhythm, metabolism, and energy expenditure. When activated, RevHerb can boost endurance, burn fat, and improve overall metabolic health. In studies conducted on mice, this molecule showed promising results. Mice treated with the pill ran 50% longer on a treadmill than those without. They also displayed improved muscle strength and endurance. Plus, the treated mice showed signs of reduced inflammation and better blood sugar levels. But wait, what about fasting? Intermittent fasting has been known for its numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and increased longevity. This molecule also appears to mimic the metabolic effects of fasting, helping to regulate glucose and lipid metabolism. Now, I know what you're thinking. When can I get my hands on this pill? Well, it's not quite ready for human use just yet. But the research is a significant step forward in understanding how we can harness the body's natural processes to improve health and fitness. It's important to remember that while this pill shows great promise, it's not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise and a balanced diet are still the best ways to maintain optimal health. But for those who struggle with physical limitations or chronic conditions, this could be a game changer. Imagine the possibilities: enhanced performance for athletes, easier weight management for those struggling with obesity, and better metabolic health for everyone. The future of fitness and nutrition looks incredibly exciting. So, stay tuned for more updates on this fascinating research. And remember, always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement or medication. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates in the world of fitness and health. Until next time, stay fit and stay healthy.